Hey, hi guys, welcome back to Logic Loops. This is day 15 of our Java series. In yesterday's video, we learned the theory of conditional statements in Java, right? We discussed the different types of conditional statements like if else, else if ladder, and nested if. Today, let's understand all of them with the Java program. So here I already created a class with name condition. I saved with the .java extension. So first I imported the scanner class so that the user can enter their marks from the keyboard. So that's why I imported here scanner class. After that my class with the class name conditions. Then main method public static void main, and I am passing the string arguments here. I created object for the scanner class, so my object name is sc. So system.in means I am taking the input from the keyboard. So next, here I am displaying a message to the user like enter your marks. Int marks equal to sc.nextInt. So whatever the marks entered by the user, so that marks I stored it in marks variable. Then coming to if condition. So here I am checking the condition marks is greater than or equal to 35. For example, take user entered marks is 70. So here I am checking the condition 70 greater than or equal to 35. So the condition is true. It prints you passed. For example, you think you entered like 24. In that situation, it checks the 24 is greater than or equal to 35. No, right? So it come out of the loop, so it nothing will be printed. Then coming to if else statement, so here I taken same example. So here marks is greater than or equal to 35. So here I am mentioned marks is 24, right? I am checking which 24 is greater than or equal to 35. So condition is false, it comes out of the if condition. So it checks else, so in else I mentioned fail, so it will display the fail message. Then coming to else if ladder. Else if ladder is used to checking the multiple conditions. So here I am checking marks is greater than or equal to 90. If in case marks is greater than or equal to 90 means it will display the grade A. For example, my marks is 80, so 80 is greater than or equal to 75. It displays this message. Otherwise your marks is 24, it checks 24 greater than or equal to 60, no, come out of the loop. And 24 is greater than or equal to 35, no, come out of the loop. And it displays else condition, that is fail. Coming to nested if. Nested if means if inside another if. So here I am checking marks 24 is greater than or equal to 35, no, right? So it never enter into the another if in case my marks is 70 or 60, so 60 is greater than or equal to 35, condition true, so it enters into the loop. 60 greater than or equal to 75, no, right? So it enter into the loop, but nothing will be printed because here I mentioned another condition is 75 greater than or equal to, sorry, marks greater than or equal to 75, right? So finally I am closed the scanner class here. That's all for today's video. I hope you understood how to use if else, else if, and nested statements in Java programs. Thank you for watching.